This is the CEED4U Birdhouse. Let's have a look. These, of course, are for mounting birdhouse. Make sure this one has holes on 3 sides. So make sure when you assemble it, you put the middle section to the back. Leave holes on each side and no holes in the front. The side pieces go on so they slope down toward the front. So here's the finished build. And of course the screen will come out so you can clean it. And this will protect it from larger birds or squirrels trying to enlarge the hole. It looks nice, I think.